How to upload videos to your Facebook page. First of all, open your application Facebook and make sure you are on your Facebook page. Tap on this 3 horizontal line right here. Head over to your profile of your Facebook page. Now scroll down and right here below filters you'll get to see this icon. Tap on it. It will land you on your gallery. Select the video that you want to upload. Let's say I want to upload this video, tap on it and then tap on next. It will show you 2 different options, create reel and create post. If you want to create reel video, tap on create reel and if not, tap on create post. Now if you tap on this video, you will get to edit the video with all of these features right here. Once you are done editing the video, tap on next. Below your profile, you can also enter the caption to the video. Once you are done and ready to post, tap on post at the top right. Your video will start to upload to your Facebook page. You need to wait for a while. So there you go, your video has been uploaded successfully. Likewise, you can upload any video that you want. So that's it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to upload videos on Facebook page. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for staying with us till the end.